Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're just going to take a little look at dollar CAD. Price has started to move in our favour, so just wanted to do a little bit of an update here and why we got long in the first place. Now, really like the idea of trading dollar CAD long. I think we might have spoke about this even last week. The fact that price has come down into the key support of 1.31 again. If we just look left, it's all this sort of area just through here where we bought from twice recently. Price come back down, retested this structure. The market then made a lower low, high low on the RSI, so we were looking for opportunities to get involved with the market, and what we said was we'd look for that 4-hour time frame and look for that change in trend, because that'll give us the opportunity to then look for further trades. Because if we look back to last time we looked at the trades, we waited for the market to change trend here, so we bought off of these highs. Market rallied nicely in our favor. Next step was to wait for the pullback into these highs, which we bought from, and then the market rallied once again in our favor. So that's what we're trying to look to do. We're looking to try and trade that 4-hour time frame and that 4-hour trend. Price has now broken trend once again, so we had this nice little move here. That's why we look to buy off of these previous highs. And again, now the market's moving towards our 133 target. We're going to look for further buying opportunities if price can come back down on a short-term scale. So next kind of step, if you're not in this move, is to wait for this 4-hour to close, confirm that, and we ideally want to see two closes above this 1.3224, this high just through here. Once we get those two confirmed closes, that will allow us to look for the opportunity to buy further. Okay, so if I then went to sort of the likes of a 15-minute time frame, we could then dive in a little bit further and suggest that if price was to come back and give us those two successful closes and come back down and retest this structure, we could then look for another long opportunity on the likes of a double bottom pattern, or triple bottom pattern, or head and shoulders pattern. Anything here to suggest that we would see that upside would be ideal for a secondary position. But at the moment, 4 hours looking good. Dollar CAD moving nicely to the upside. Another chart that we had a little bit of interest in and we traded was CAD yen. This market moving really nicely to the downside as well. So when you start seeing these markets moving, and you could look at the accumulative sort of thing that we can look at. Also, prices coming into this previous structure point. I know I've targeted the larger area, but when you see price coming into these previous structures, this is where we want to look to take some positions off the table. We're currently around about 85 pips up, if I remember rightly. The stop loss is around about 106 pips. So if price did come down into this area, we would likely be at that 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. We can like to take some off the market there, or we can reduce risk and put stops towards break even. But once price hits this sort of low here, I'll be looking to take some position off on CAD yen as well. So yeah, dollar CAD, CAD yen moving very nicely for us at the moment. Dollar CAD, really like this upside coming from here. Obviously would like to be out of this by the time the US election rolls around, so I'll be looking for some opportunities if price can sort of push a little bit higher and give us an opportunity to sort of take some profits. I will do. Thanks for watching this video update, and I'll speak to you soon.